Alright, so I'm going to go over the Cobra Lizard Creature that is usable in Unity, that you can use in Unity or any other game engine, right? This creature has 10 different animations, right? The creature itself was created in Blender, texturized, sculpted, and everything. It has the idle animation, as you can see here, as a walk cycle, as a hunting, so it's a little slower walk cycle. There's the run, the swim, which is one of them. So there's two, right? I actually really like this one. All right, there's the jump animation. There's the death animation. The attack animation, which looks weird because it's rotating like the other way. Um, the search animation, so it's just standing in one place and it's kind of like looking around or sensing. And then this second swim animation, in case you want the creature to swim, right? So yeah, I don't know which one I like the best, but overall, this is the Cobra Lizard Creature. Hope you enjoyed it.